Hi, I'm Ethan's sister, Bella. I don't have a channel, and I'm not gonna waste time to make one, so I'm using his. This is just a random video that I want to do. I'm eating icing. I hope I'm not the only one. Cool thing is it's purple. Purple icing. It's really good. So, today, that tasted funny. Anyways, today I want to show you, well, tell you about this YouTuber. His name is Nobeefjusthomies. I'll put it in the description box. But he has a couple channels, but he's really cool. You should watch his videos. They're like stupid videos, but they're videos that will make you go like, ha 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 ha, kinda, guess. But yeah, my tongue is like fuchsia. Whatever. So yeah, this is my first video, by the way. I'm not the kind of person who would have like a whole plan to do a video like stuff. I have no life, literally. Today's a Saturday, and I've been laying in bed eating icing. The only thing I did was make an omelet today. It was really good. But I'm not fat. I talk about food all the time, but I'm not fat. I'm skinny. You see this? I'm skinny. So yeah, shouldn't make fun of me. So go on to Nobeefjusthomies YouTube account. Not like on the account, but like look his videos up. It's really awesome. I'd let you have a lick, but it's mine. It's really good though. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Probably boring you. Okay, yeah, bye. Bye.